Hello, this is a test of the Nikon ZR 32-bit float audio. This is using Nikon MED10 external microphone. Settings are pure, all, meaning front and back microphones are both picking up the sound. Level 15, sensitivity. This is the original clip. As you can see here, it's 0 decibel. If you can see the audio, it's all clipped out, all distorted. So I'm just gonna play a portion of the clip so you can hear. As you can hear, it's really distorted, but thanks to the 32-bit float audio, I was able to pull it down to minus 13 decibel. Again, original is 0 decibel. Now it is minus 13, so let's hear it. Well, the 32-bit float audio makes wonders, an amazing tool to recover your blown out audio. Thank you, Nikon, for having this feature. A whole new world, Disney's Aladdin in flute. A whole new world, Disney's Aladdin in flute.